Alright, today we're going to replace a deadbolt real quickly. All you really need is a Phillips screwdriver and a smart brain in your head. It's not too hard. So first I'm going to go ahead and remove this old one. Real fast. Sometimes real fast, depending on if the screws are cooperating or not. These two screws are usually the trickiest part on the latch or doorknob. It takes a while to get them out sometimes. If it would have been any longer there, we would have used some time-lapse technology, but I don't think we need it. Actually, I feel like they were drilled in there and they're pretty tight. Pretty long screws too. We're switching out a quick set deadbolt with a Schlage deadbolt, so you need to completely remove all the compartments of the old lock for the new lock. They don't work together. Our replacement in real quick. Here's our new Schlage deadbolt and the lever that locks it in the back. Kind of line this tail piece up properly with the inside of the mechanism here, so the lock functions properly when I get it on, get it installed. a little pressure in here because this particular lock has some detents on it. Make sure it works there before I finish installing it. And a lot of people consider this the trickiest part of the installation of a lock, lining up these two screws. It's not too difficult most of the time. The right one was in, but the left one wasn't. I moved it slightly, and now they're both in place. Make sure our latch works, and I always test out the keys as well. And there you see we got a new deadbolt, Schlage deadbolt installed here.